Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can change servers in Bloodstrike. So let's first start with the first step, which is to launch the Bloodstrike and look for the settings gear icon on the main menu. So this is usually located in the top right corner of the screen, so make sure that you're on the main menu, not in the match. Next step is navigate through the settings menu to find the server or the region selection option. So this may be under network settings or a dedicated server tab. So server selection affects both ping and player pool for matching. Next step is view the list of available server regions, including NA, EU, and Asia. And there are more also in there. So each shows estimated ping to help you choose the best option for your location. So just a pro tip, you can choose the server closest to your physical location for lowest ping. Next step is after selecting your preferred region, you confirm the change. So just take note that the same progress may be region specific, so read any warnings about the data synchronization. Lastly is return to the lobby and start matchmaking on your new server. So you should notice improved connection quality if you chose a closer region. So you can play then with your friends on the same server for the best squad experience. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!